Hello everyone. In recent weeks, the United States has been abuzz with reports of mysterious drone sightings, leaving many wondering who is behind them and what their purpose is. The sightings have been reported in various parts of the country, particularly in the Northeast region, with New Jersey being a hotspot for these enigmatic drone appearances. The first reports of the mysterious drones emerged in late December, with multiple sightings reported over sensitive areas, including the Trump National Golf Club, Bedminster, and the Picatinny Arsenal Military Research and Manufacturing Facility in Morris County. The drones were described as being large, with some reports suggesting they were as big as a small plane. The FBI has taken the lead in investigating the mysterious drone sightings, with the agency receiving over 3,000 reports from the public. The FBI is working closely with state and local authorities to determine the origin and purpose of the drones. Despite the ongoing investigation, the identity of those behind the drones remains a mystery. The Pentagon has stated that the drones are neither from the U.S. military nor from a foreign adversary. The Federal Aviation Administration has also weighed in, banning drone flights in parts of New Jersey due to the incidents. As the investigation continues, various theories and speculations have emerged about the mysterious drones. Some believe that the drones may be part of a secret military program, while others think they could be an identified aerial phenomena, also known as UFOs. One theory that gained traction online suggested that the drones were being launched by an Iranian mothership off the coast of the United States. However, the Pentagon has since clarified that there is no truth to this claim. The mysterious drone sightings have significant implications for national security, public safety, and the regulation of drone technology. As the use of drones becomes increasingly widespread, the need for clear regulations and safeguards to prevent their misuse is becoming increasingly pressing. The FAA has already taken steps to address the issue, banning drone flights in parts of New Jersey and establishing a no-fly zone over certain sensitive areas. However, more needs to be done to prevent the misuse of drones and to ensure public safety. The mysterious drone sightings in the USA remain an ongoing enigma, with many questions still unanswered. As the investigation continues, it is clear that the situation has significant implications for national security, public safety, and the regulation of drone technology. One thing is certain, however, the mysterious drones have left many in the US wondering what's going on and demanding answers. That's all for today. See you in next video. Goodbye.